Get back. Telling someone to get back is like saying, "You are too close. Please move away." And it often sounds like a warning, like if you come closer, you will get hurt. However, get back can also have many different meanings when we use it in a longer sentence. I'm Teacher Mike. I help adults like you learn real English that they can use in their daily lives. And today, we are talking about different ways to use get back. First, get back can mean return. If someone is going somewhere, you can ask them, "What time do you think you'll get back?" That's the same as asking, "What time do you think you'll return?" However, "What time do you think you'll return?" sounds quite formal, and I would probably never say that. I would usually ask, "What time do you think you'll get back?" or "What time do you think you'll be back?" You might hear someone say, "Get back to work." Here, get back to means continue. So if you are talking to someone and they say, "I need to get back to work now," that means we need to end this conversation because I need to continue working. Or if your boss sees that you are not working, they might say, "Get back to work." And if you are finding this video useful so far, I would really appreciate it if you could take a moment to just give it a like. Doing this both really helps my channel and it helps other learners like you because it tells them that this is a useful video to watch. To get back to someone means to reply to them. For example, "I can't give you an answer right now, but I will get back to you soon." Or, "I sent him an email a few days ago, but he hasn't gotten back to me yet." You can also get someone or something back, and this has two different meanings. First, it can mean that you had something, then you didn't have it for a period of time, and now you have it again. And we often use this one when someone has taken something from us. For example, if a student is using their phone during class, their teacher might take it from them and say, "You can get it back at the end of class." Second, it can mean to get revenge, to do something bad to someone because they did something bad to you. For example, if your coworker lies about something and makes other people angry at you, you might say, "I'll get you back for this." This means you have created a problem for me, and now I'm going to create a problem for you. To get back at someone means the same thing. For example, "He's trying to get back at me for something that I did to him a long time ago." Finally, we sometimes use get into when talking about hobbies and interests. For example, "She got into guitar when she was 14. That means she was 14 when she started playing guitar, or when she first became interested in guitar. And to get back into a hobby means to start doing it again after a long period of not doing it. For example, maybe she stopped playing guitar for a few years, but now she has started doing it again. She has gotten back into guitar. So yeah, those are some of the ways that we use get back. And I have new videos every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, so if you want more videos like this one, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.